pizza. Tip amount. What should I give him for a tip? Well, I guess I'll just give him cash or fill that out when they get here. Alright. I shouldn't have drank so much tonight. I'm gonna be able to wait up this late. Too many drinks. Oh my fucking god, this is taking forever. You've gotta be shitting me. This asshole orders a pizza, doesn't fucking tip, doesn't answer the door? Well, he's getting his goddamn pizza anyway. I mean, come on, seriously, fuck this guy.
Thursday day, dear, at the parade here, watching people as they float on by. All the family stay drinking Gatorade. So many faces, I made up my mind.